Hey friends, Miss Andrew here. All right, our new letter is the letter L. This is the capital L and the lowercase l. L says ol. All right, so this is our story about the letter L that says ol. Ooh, sister was running through the house, and what happened? She knocked over a lamp. And here comes brother, and he says, "Oh, you're in trouble. Oh, oh. Isn't that silly? Can you do that? It makes your tongue look funny. Oh." All right. So this is the capital L and the lowercase l. L says "ol" as in lamp, leaf, log, and lemon. Good. Let's look at how we write the letter L. The capital L is a pull down, a push across, a pull down for the lowercase, and then a pull down for the capital and a push across. And then the lowercase is just a pull down. All right, sweet friends, remember our letter L says "ol" for sister was running through the house and she bumped into a lamp, and brother came and said "ol." Bye, friends.